In Shantiniketan kindergarten, all the kids played happily, except for Viraj, the tallest and strongest boy in the class. He would grab toys from others and push them aside during games. One day, Viraj took away little Kavya's favorite teddy and threw it high on the shelf. She couldn't reach it and started crying. Other kids were scared to say anything. Viraj is too strong. What can we do? They whispered, but Raghav, the smartest kid, had an idea. We can work together. Kavya distracted Viraj by asking him to race with her. Raghav and Arjun climbed on a chair and got the teddy back. Sanya, the storyteller, told a story about teamwork, making Viraj think. When Viraj saw them working together, he remembered the story Sanya told, the Panchatantra tale of the elephant and the sparrows. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, a mighty elephant named Gajraj lived near a tree where a pair of sparrows, Chandrika and Suman, had built their nest. The sparrows were happy and lived peacefully, but one summer, the scorching heat dried up the river, and Gajraj started knocking down trees to find water. In his search, he destroyed the branch where the sparrows had built their nest. Their eggs fell to the ground and broke. Chandrika and Suman were heartbroken. We may be small, but we will not let this injustice go unanswered. They sought help from their friends. Megha, the clever woodpecker, she said, I will take care of the elephant's eyes. Jal, the crafty fly, I will buzz in his ears and distract him. Near, the wise frog, I will trick him into falling into a deep pit. Together, they made a plan. Megha, the woodpecker, pecked Gajraj's eyes, making him unable to see. Jal, the fly, buzzed loudly in his ears, making him restless. Near, the frog, croaked near a deep muddy pit, luring Gajraj to follow the sound. The blind and confused elephant stepped forward and fell into the pit. He struggled but couldn't escape. The tiny creatures had defeated the mighty elephant with their teamwork. Wisdom from the story, even the smallest and weakest can defeat the strongest if they work together. Viraj realized he had been acting like the elephant, using his strength unfairly. I was wrong. I want to be a good friend. He promised to share and be kind. From that day, Viraj became the best helper in the class. Moral, even the smallest kids can stand up for themselves if they work together.